Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about common skincare mistakes that might be stopping your skin from looking clear, healthy, and glowing. If you've ever wondered why your skin isn't improving even though you're using skincare products, you might be making a few simple mistakes without realizing it. Let's talk about them and how to fix them. First, washing your face too often. Many people think washing their face many times a day will remove oil and prevent acne. But actually, overwashing can strip your skin of its natural oils. When this happens, your skin may produce even more oil, which can lead to clogged pores and breakouts. The best routine is to wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed, using a gentle cleanser. Another big mistake is not using sunscreen. Sunscreen is one of the most important parts of skincare. Sun exposure can cause dark spots, premature aging, and skin damage. It can also make acne marks take longer to fade. Try to use a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even if it's cloudy or you're indoors. Next, using too many skincare products. It's exciting to try new products, but using too many at once, especially strong ingredients like retinol or acids, can irritate your skin. Instead, keep your routine simple: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. If you want to add treatment products, introduce them slowly. Another mistake is picking or popping pimples. It might feel satisfying, but it can cause scars, infections, and more breakouts. Instead, use a spot treatment and allow your skin time to heal. Also, never sleep with makeup on. Leaving makeup on overnight can clog your pores and stop your skin from repairing itself while you sleep. Always remove your makeup before going to bed. Your diet and hydration can also affect your skin. Eating too much sugary or greasy food may trigger breakouts for some people. Try to eat more fruits and vegetables and drink enough water to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Finally, remember that skincare takes time. Most products need several weeks to show results. Stay consistent with your routine and be patient with your skin. Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated. By avoiding these simple mistakes, you're already on your way to healthier and clearer skin. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare and beauty tips. See you in the next video.